The term magic of compounding describes how the earnings generated from your investments can generate additional earnings over time. By reinvesting your earnings rather than withdrawing them, your investments can experience exponential growth. It's worth noting that compound interest is most advantageous when you refrain from withdrawing funds or taking out loans. This allows the accumulated interest to compound further, resulting in greater earnings the longer your money remains invested. Time in the market. Time is a crucial factor when it comes to compounding, which is the process by which investment gains are reinvested to earn additional gains over time. The longer the investment is held, the more time it has to compound and grow. The power of compounding is best illustrated by the fact that even small differences in the length of time an investment is held can result in large differences in the final value of the investment. For example, if you invest $10,000 and earn a 7% annual return, after 20 years your investment would be worth around $48,000. But if you invest for 30 years, it would grow to around $126,000. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow, which means that even small contributions made early on can end up being worth a lot more in the long run. Benefits of compounding. Compounding is a powerful force that can provide several benefits to investors. Here are some of the benefits of compounding. Increased wealth. Compounding can help you build wealth over the long term. Even small investments can grow substantially over time if you let them compound. The longer you keep your money invested, the greater your potential for wealth accumulation. Passive income. Compounding can also help you generate passive income. Once your investments have grown sufficiently, you can start withdrawing a portion of your earnings while leaving the rest invested to continue compounding. Inflation protection. Compounding can provide a hedge against inflation. As your investments grow, they can help offset the impact of inflation on your purchasing power, helping you maintain your standard of living over time. Reduced risk. Compounding can also help reduce investment risk. By reinvesting your earnings, you can diversify your holdings and potentially reduce your exposure to market volatility. Drawback of compounding. While compounding has many benefits, there are also some potential downsides to keep in mind. One of the biggest disadvantages is that compounding requires time to work its magic. If you withdraw your money too soon, you won't give compounding a chance to do its work. Another potential downside is that compounding requires consistency. If you stop making contributions to your investment, you'll miss out on the potential growth that compounding could provide. Additionally, compounding interest doesn't protect you from a market downturn, which could lead to decrease in the total value of the investment. Lastly, fees. Some investments may charge fees, such as management fees or trading fees, that can eat into your earnings and reduce the benefits of compounding. These are other things to consider. Compounding can be affected by factors such as fees and taxes. If you have to pay fees on your investments or if you have to pay taxes on your investment earnings, it can reduce the overall return you earn and slow the growth of your investments through compounding. Other factors include the rate of return you earn, the length of time you leave your money invested, and the risks involved in your investments. It is important to be realistic about the potential returns on your investments and to be aware of the risks involved. Overall, compounding is a powerful tool that can help you grow your investments over time. However, it's important to remember that compounding requires time and consistency to be effective. By starting early, being consistent with your investments, and being patient, you can take advantage of the magic of compounding to help reach your financial goals.